Let us talk about plant hormones or phytohormones. Plants do not have nervous system like human beings. Control and coordination in plants are brought about by these phytohormones. There are four major types of phytohormones. They are auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins and abscisic acid. Let us talk about auxins. They are produced at root and shoot tips. It has opposite effect in the growth of stem and root. It speeds up the growth of stem but slows down the growth of roots. It promotes cell enlargement and cell differentiation. It also promotes fruit growth. Now let us see gibberellins. They are helpful in cell enlargement and cell differentiation in the presence of auxins. They help in breaking dormancy in seeds and buds. They delay aging in leaves and promote fruit growth. Let us see cytokinins. Cytokinins promote cell division. It also promotes fruit growth. It helps in breaking dormancy in seeds and buds, and it also helps in opening of stomata. Now let us talk about abscisic acid. It is called growth inhibitor. It has opposite effect, that is, it promotes dormancy in seeds and buds. It promotes closing of stomata. Here, it was helpful in opening of stomata. It is promoting closing of stomata. It promotes wilting and falling of leaves and detachment of leaves and fruits from plants. Now, I am giving some questions for practice. First one, name the major phytohormones. 2. Name the hormone that help in plant growth. 3rd, name the hormones, that is phytohormones. I am talking about phytohormones here, in plants responsible for promoting cell division. Next, name the hormone which is called growth inhibitor in plants. And 5th one, what are phytohormones? What role do they play in plants? Only 5 questions.